Here's a day in my life as a safety officer. First, I start off with breakfast and I grab my gears. So I ensure that I have my safety glasses, my safety helmet, my steel toe shoes, my vest, and my long pants, and a comfortable shoes as well as socks. Today we're going to West Indies Petroleum Company in Ochi. So I grab a snack, some bun and cheese, and a water. After traveling for about an hour and a half, we finally reach in Ocho Rios, and this is the location where we're heading. Before going to the location, we first went for lunch. We went for lunch at this restaurant that was basically in the town. I believe it's called the Reggae Alley Bar and Grill. Yes, so that's where we went for lunch. This is the location. It is a pretty relaxing place to dine. It's basically on the roadside, and we were there looking through the menu, and I was super impressed with the drink menu, to be honest.
Trust me. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
After browsing through the menu, we got our meals, and guys, let me rate the meals. So the presentation was a 8 out of 10. For the oxtail and the curry goat, I was looking for more a slip off the bone. I didn't get that. It needed to cook a little bit more. It wasn't tender, so I give that a 2 out of 5. Them just never taste good to me. The pork was good, and the jerk chicken wrap was absolutely delicious. After having lunch, we went to the pier and we did our observations. No phone was allowed beyond the terminal, so we then went ahead, discussed the scope of work with the engineer. I then identified the possible hazards that workers could encounter while conducting the job in order to prepare the JC or GHA, and then we went back home. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.